are coming to the conclusive end of the group stages, as Group E sees BSF and Bodoland FC fight for 3 crucial points, and the two teams making their way on the pitch. This is Bodoland FC with a 4-3-3 on pen and paper. Tauga Brahma in the back line with Basumatri. Frank Coffey from Ghana. On goal is Harpreet Singh. Mohammad Asif, the captain, in the back line with Navjot, Bipul and Kopal. And underway with proceedings, kick-off at Kokrajhar. It is Bodoland FC against BSF Football Club. And here come Bodoland in attack. Joe squares it to the right. The captain with a cross in. There are 2 approaching players. This might be the fastest goal of this edition of the Durand. And Bodoland have the lead. The fans can celebrate already.
What a wonderful. They had the possession in the half, right? Like we were talking about, that they have to make their chances count right in the first minute. What a hell they have broken loose over here.
One from the training grounds. A deflection on the cross. A header really looking dangerous. No, that is good communication with the centre-back to just leave it alone. Floated in the box. The captain rose the highest chance there in the box. That is a great run in the box. This might be a chance again. Not a great touch. And laid off again. Saved from the line. How did they not convert that chance? Bodoland will question themselves. But what a bright attack once more from the right channel. And PSF have a chance of their own. A quick attack, a burst of pace from the left, trying to control it, and here comes the cross, deflected off a red shirt, and thankfully off target. That could have gone anywhere. Bodoland survive.
Tries to do something different in the last area also. He had an open chance.
On the corner kick, floats it in, a bit of curl on it. BSF, look at that pace up front. They need more options here. Goes for the shot from a bit far away, but it was teasing the keeper, it was troubling the keeper. And now from the right, once again, Bilson on the overlap. The cross again, teasing in. It is the same player once more. Matching up that corner tally. 2-2 from PSF. They have another bite at it. The header looks like a very close one. Look at that pace from Lakhvinder Singh. And he has opened up the defence. He has only one option. But they have 3 of blue. This can be dangerous. BSF looking to get back in the game. Should have taken the shot a bit early maybe, and was looking to deceive the keeper. And it is half-time. There is only 1 goal in the first half. So much the country, but here on the football pitch, they have 45 more minutes. Kishori has the pace. Oh, it's a giveaway almost. This can be BSF's moment. Is this the first goal of their tournament, of their campaign? And it is. BSF are back in it, and such a gift awarded by Bodoland. Their fans won't be happy at all. Clever. The fast back falling to a teammate, and is that a penalty? Bodoland's chance to get back the lead. Chuangla from the spot. Just that eye contact, just that movement of the foot. And a wonderful clinical penalty. And Momocha can make their fans happier. They're trying this idea time and again. Pilsen floating in. The keeper has got a touch, but it wasn't enough. It was not enough. And the substitute, Narzari, has increased the lead for Bodoland.
Perfect header over there. Though it was blinded, nevertheless hit the target. It's great football over here, interest of the people.
Oh, the flag has stayed down, it seems. And BSF out of nowhere, fooling the defense of Bodoland, has got another to their name. Talk about goal difference. BSF are not letting them go away easy. It is Kishori again, the hard-working man of front for BSF.
Kishori makes his mark, gets onto the ball. The first touch is good. His balance is kept well, and he slots it home. Fantastic there, and that's worth a try. The great dominance there from the first half, and also in the second half, slowly they've allowed BSF to really control this game on the counters. Every time.
Oh, a shot from distance! What a screamer! Chuangla Brahma. We have talked about this Durand having seen special goals.
On the turn, great left footer. Look at that. His balance, his turning, his perfectness, his vision, absolutely brilliant.
And a foul there from Lakhwinder. This battle is getting heated up. Oh, that is not something you would fancy. There has been no cards in this game so far, but this might be the first for Pilsen.
Given a foul, you've got to throw in. Why do you do that? And that's a flash to the red card over there. Lalit Singh Rawat removes his red card for the first time in this tournament.
Oh, but is there a miracle on the cards? Maybe a late one. Looking for the option. BSF, the substitutes combining. This is not over, Henry. This is not over here at the SAI Stadium. BSF have taken advantage of that one-man extra. And they have pulled another back. 4-3. This is a goal fest of 7 goals right now. And it is the substitute, Muhammad Asif Khan from the right, who gets the goal in. It is full time. And what a match we have witnessed here at Kokrajhar. They end the group stages on a high and a positive note.